Well, today I'm tackling this firewall. What I'd planned on doing, rather than what I did on the Camaro, which is just weld up these holes, I've decided to actually use this right here. So I cut it out exactly where I wanted to put it. It will slide right there over the bracket for where the fender's bolt. And as you can tell, it goes all the way around everything that it needs to. So that right there is going to make and ensure that this firewall is going to be completely flat whenever I get ready to put some paint on this, because I don't want to just patch it up, wipe some body filler on it like I do on so many times in the past. You want to be able to learn from past things that you've done. Well, this is what I've done now. And to strengthen it, we have a bead roller that we've purchased from Eastwood. I'll show you that. This here is the Eastwood bead roller. Now, it didn't come with a bracket. I actually made this out of some co-row steel and made this piece right here with some rubber on it for all this, and made the little swivel here so that I can turn it if I wanted to turn it. Been working in the floor getting all this right here built. So now that all my brackets built right here by my brake, I'll be using this on my firewall, and I can put, you know, any little design I want to in it all the way around it if I want to make it look real fancy. But I'm going to get with the owner and make sure first, but most likely we're just going to go flat. So we have the bead roller just in case we want to do some kind of design, maybe an X or a cross right here just to help strengthen it, but you do not have to do that. The firewall, there's still a firewall in behind this right here, right there. I'll be cutting and everything out of it, clean it up, dolly, and everything's smooth. I'll lay this right here over it. I can drill holes inside this right here, plug holes, and then weld this to it. And that will plug hole it in, and then all the way around the edge, and then put some seam sealer around it, clean it all up. You'll never be able to tell any of that was ever done. Okay, now here's my steel that I'm gonna make my pattern by putting that cardboard up against. And here you can see I've laid the cardboard, I've sprayed the paint, and now I'm gonna go ahead and cut that sucker out and lay it against the car. Okay, it's all cut out. I've got it all tacked into place all the way around the edges, all the way around. I cut this piece right here out away from the body and repositioned it into this one. I've got it all tacked. I've got to finish welding all the way around it, of course, and grind the welds down real smooth, and maybe wipe some body filler just lightly all the way around it before I do some cleaning, priming stuff. But that's it right there. I've got it all cut out. I've got it welded in there. So now pretty much all there is to do is weld right here where the body's put together all the way up. I've got to drill some holes right here, do some plug welds right there for secure strength right through here. But that's gonna be it. Just a quick video, doesn't take too long, just to get the little firewall section here on this 69 Chevelle. So, real nice and straight. Look good when you open the hood and see a real nice clean firewall.